Choosing low-flow fixtures for a tiny house septic system cuts water use and eases drainfield demand immediately. Start by prioritizing fixture flow rates under 1.5 gallons per minute for showers and 0.5 gallons per minute aerators for faucets to reduce graywater volume and slow septic tank fill rates. Install a dual flush toilet that uses no more than 1.1 gallons for a full flush and about 0.8 gallons for a partial flush to cut blackwater generation while preserving functionality. For washing, select an efficient front-loading machine rated for low water per load, or plan regular trips to a laundromat to avoid excessive on-site wastewater. Always run full loads and use short cycles when feasible to conserve water. Consider a composting toilet to eliminate blackwater entirely, which simplifies septic design and can significantly reduce required tank and drainfield sizing. Be sure to follow manufacturer instructions for ventilation and maintenance. Adopt water-saving habits like shower timing, turning off taps while lathering, and using basin water for plant irrigation to further lower demand and reduce solids and detergents entering the system. Finally, size your septic components based on expected, continuous daily use rather than occasional peaks, and consult local code for minimum design flows, providing conservative allowances for guests or increased use during events. 3 common mistakes are underestimating occupancy, which leads to undersized tanks and overloaded drain fields. Solve this by calculating design flow, using the maximum foreseeable daily use, and adding a safety margin. Another issue is relying solely on low-flow claims without checking installation and maintenance requirements, which can create clogs or poor performance. Prevent this by choosing reputable models, installing per manufacturer guidance, and cleaning aerators and screens regularly. A third concern is ignoring detergent and grease management, which accelerates biomat and can clog soil absorption fields. The remedy is using low-phosphate detergents, avoiding grease-down drains, and diverting high-sodium or non-biodegradable wastes away from the septic system. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners locate trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills and availability. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where users share real-world experiences, product recommendations, and practical maintenance tips for tiny house septic and low-water systems.